Food with Friends is a series where I go to my friend's house, they cook something amazing for me, and I share the recipe with you. I'm going to my friend Teresa's house today, who I've known since preschool, and she's making this incredibly awesome sausage bread. She started by browning 1 pound of sausage, then seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and oregano. She said make sure you really cook the sausage so that it doesn't make the sausage bread all greasy. Then drain it on a paper towel, and then you're gonna get your pizza dough. Now you know I'm all for a shortcut, but she made her own dough. The recipe for this is in the caption, and there was an undeniable difference in taste and overall quality. This dough was ridiculously good. But if you don't have the time for all of that, just buy pre-made pizza dough. Then she rolled it out smooth onto a floured surface and laid out between 1 pound and 1.25 pounds of provolone cheese. Then you're gonna evenly spread the sausage on top of that, then roll this thing up pretty tight. And this is what's interesting about going to people's houses and seeing the way they do things. Because she went psycho on the ends of the bread with the back of a pizza cutter to make sure that they were nice and pinched closed. Interesting and effective technique. Then she pricked the top of the bread with a fork for some ventilation and baked it for 25 minutes on some parchment paper. I admired her tree while I was waiting and picked out my favorite ornament. At this point, my stomach was growling from the smell in the kitchen alone, and I was pumped to taste this sausage bread. And what a beauty she was. And that cheese that snuck out is the best part. This sausage bread was one of the best that I've ever had. It was so easy to make, so delicious. Teresa, thank you for having me. You guys gotta try this.